It's a great experience. I really think that 24 Hours of Impact, bridging the community between nonprofit and corporate, is really interesting and really valuable. We tend to think that they exist in separate spheres, but when we bring them together, it really uplifts the community in a way that we really don't tend to think it does.
I am the weakest link. Goodbye.
Today we're doing 24 Hours of Impact, which is a way for the community to come together, both corporate, nonprofit, and university, to really better our community through service. So today here at the Barbara White CEC, we're working for an hour on a service project for Civic Nebraska, which is the nonprofit that I intern at through the Office of Civic and Social Responsibility.
Everybody scattered?
Teamwork makes the dream work.
We are putting together urban field guides for children who go to after-school programs to really explore the natural world around them. In the packages, there are compasses and pencils and crayons and rulers, thermometers and magnifying glasses and bug catchers. A lot of different kind of cool tools that children need to explore the natural world around them. I think that service is a crucial component to having a well-rounded education, and even doing it for an hour on a Friday is really impactful for the community in ways that we tend to not think about.